Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to make money online without showing your face, without capital, and without doing anything illegal? Then listen carefully. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to start academic writing journey. And here, there's no degree needed, no prior experience. It is just your laptop or even your phone and a stable internet connection. By the end of this video, you will know how academic writing works, where to apply, and how to start earning your first time online income as a writer. And stay till the end because I will share a Bible story that shows how small beginning can lead to big success. Hi, welcome back to this channel. I'm your friend Mose Wamkota, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online and financial growth for smart people like you. So if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell so that you cannot miss our future uploads. Let's dive into how you can start your academic writing journey and make your first income online. So Mose, what is exactly academic writing? In simple terms, academic writing is simply helping students, researchers, or even professionals to write essays, reports, research papers, or dissertations following proper academic standards, like formatting, references, and analysis. It is a legal-based skilled services. It is not cheating. You are helping clients express their ideas clearly, logically, and academically. The best part, you can do it from anywhere. Your home, your hostel, even your phone if you have Google Doc and Microsoft Word. And most writers start earning from $5 to $20 per day once they master basics. So before we begin, let's go through what you need to get started. Now, number one, you need a laptop or a phone. You can begin with your phone using Google Docs, but a laptop is better for formatting and editing. Number two is a stable internet connection. You will be researching and uploading online. Now the third one is Grammarly account. This tool will help you to fix grammar errors and punctuations. You can use free Grammarly version. The fourth one is Turnitin or plagiarismchecker.org. Why? Because most clients requires 100% original content. And if you are here in Kenya, you need an M-Pesa, or if you are watching this video from abroad, you need a PayPal account. This is how you get paid by clients or writing websites. You will also need a Microsoft Word or Google Doc to format and deliver your work professionally. Now with these 6 tools, you are ready to start your first online writing gig. So let's go through step by step on how to start your academic writing journey. Now before applying anywhere, you need to understand the type of academic papers like essay, research papers, literature reviews, and reports. So let me give you an assignment. Go on YouTube and search how to write an argumentative essay or APA formatting basics. And also learn references, styles like APA and Harvard reference. Now you need to start small by just picking a random topic like the impact of social media on students or the importance of time management. So today I'm giving you a simple quiz for me. Write a 500-word essay using Google Docs and then use Grammarly to polish it. Now, this quiz, the goal here is not perfection, it's about progress. Write like 3 different essays on different topics on different topics. Then keep on practicing. Now that you have practiced, it is time to apply. Now you can apply on platforms such as Uvocop, one of the most reliable platform for academic writers. We have also Writers Bay. This one accepts beginners who pass grammar tests. We have also Academia Research. This one offers flexible work and offers weekly payments. And finally, we have bluecopwriters.com. This is a beginner-friendly website. Now, each website will ask for a writing sample, payment information, and personal details. And most of these websites pays via Wise, PayPal, and M-Pesa for local writers. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can easily open one, then link to your M-Pesa line, and always use your real names and verified ID to avoid delays. When you start getting orders, time management is key. Most academic tasks have strict deadlines. So use tools like Google Calendars or Trello to track your assignments. And always deliver work early. It builds trusts and gets you consistent clients. After you've completed 1, 2 to 3 tasks, ask for feedbacks or testimonies. Then save them. These are your portfolio. Proves that you are reliable and skilled. And over time, you will start earning better rates and then work directly with international clients. Now let's switch our gears a little bit and talk about numbers. Most beginners earn from $5 to $10 per day, depending on how many pages they write. Experienced writers can earn anywhere from $30 to $100, especially those with steady clients or agency accounts. And remember, the more you practice, the faster you write, the more you earn. Before we end, let me share with you a Bible story of the parable of talents. That is Matthew 25 verses 14 to 30. A master gave 3 servants different amounts of money. 2 used them wisely and then multiplied them, but one servant buried his talent, afraid of taking risks. When the master returned, he rewarded the ones who invested and took away from the one who hid his gifts. The lesson here is simple. God blesses those who act. So this is your moment. Your laptop could be your talent, and your writing skill could be your seed. Start small, stay consistent, and your gift will make a room for you. So this is a complete step-by-step beginner's guide on how to start academic writing for beginners. So if you have learned something new, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with anyone who wants to start academic writing journey. And comment below, are you going to try academic writing this month? I'm your friend Mose Wamkota, and this is Online Money Tech. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.